We visited Goa today.
Goa! Here we go!
My first time was 24 years back, so I was very curious how Goa developed.
A very impressive, very attractive destination.
We enjoyed the entire experience.
We test the Fini alcohol, local alcohol.
There's lots of different places. We did the bird watching, we did a boat trip, we visited Fort Aguada, we saw Old Goa, we saw Panjim. It was really beautiful.
It was a very well organized family.
Met a lot of good new people.
And got to see some really kind of different parts of Goa that we wouldn't have seen by ourselves.
4-week experience, a lot of fun.
And I'm happy to be here. And it was an amazing day.
It was fascinating.
We enjoyed it.
That's